What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing new color match reflectors from IND on this brand new G20 330i. Alright, first thing we need to do here is turn the wheel. We're going to start here on the driver's side, turn it as far as it'll go, full lock, and then you're good to go. So not a lot to do here in terms of uninstalling these. We're going to heat this up. Fortunately, the front of the car has been out in the sun, so hopefully it's a little bit warmer. We've got a heat gun. We're just going to heat up this area here. Make sure you don't burn up the paint, so don't get too close. We don't need to remove the wheel well. We just need to stick our hand back here. There's a little slot, and then we kind of feel for it, and then we'll push it out starting here on the bottom and work our way up. So the color match reflectors are from IND. It also came with this little install kit. This is like a little flexible plastic piece that really shouldn't harm the paint or anything. We're going to use this to kind of pry the old one off. Okay, we're going to start here in the bottom corner. Kind of give it a push. You can kind of hear the tape. Almost all the way there. Oh, this helps a lot, actually. See if I can get it all the way across here. Put down, not help. There's a little lip right here. There we go. Wow, that was very easy. Alright, so we got that out. Obviously there's some leftover tape, residual tape on the inside here.
A little adhesive.
So we're going to go ahead and pull that off and then get a microfiber towel and clean up this back area. The OEM reflector here. And these are the new IND color matched. Okay, so IND obviously gives you one for each side. So this is what it looks like. And they are left and right. So this one has an L, tells you which way it needs to be facing up. So we're gonna put it on just like that. So this has got some tape on here. We'll remove this. It'll expose the 3M double-sided tape. We'll stick it on there. Everything's all cleaned up, so should be good to go. Carefully put this in here. Try not to touch anything. Hold it on there for 15-20 seconds. We could even
apply pressure going all the way around and everything should be good.
We could even post heat it a little bit with the heat gun just to activate the tape a little bit better. Just trying to make our gaps all even all the way around here. I think we're good. How's that look? Just to compare, this is the IND color match versus the really ugly, hideous orange on the passenger side. Same process on the passenger side. Craig's just gonna hop in here, turn the wheel the other direction, and we're gonna do the exact same thing.
Alright, so now Adam is basically just putting in the little pry tool and just slowly moving it up, breaking the adhesive away from the paint there.
Final product.